wonder how many times I got asked this week, Patrick, what do you think is going to happen? People freaking out. I got you guys freaking out. Your customers are absolutely. It's like Jesus has been born again, and then also the devil is now alive and well in the United States. And we have both sides of the thing going on, and it depends on who your friends are and what you do. Like, it's unbelievable how psychotic everybody is, which drives a high level when it comes to my real estate asset. I said this earlier this week where someone was, Patrick, who should I follow so that I can get educated? And I'm like, even you, a real estate professional, have a tough time tracking this stuff. How do you think it is for your community and your clients? If you guys are having a tough time doing it, how the heck are they supposed to do it? And so I just want to reset you guys that I didn't ask you to do market update videos because I thought that's just be good for your social media. I did it because understanding and following the housing market has been one of the most valuable things that I personally have done for myself and for my family. And it also has been an incredibly valuable gift that I can give to my clients to help you guys make sense of the chaos and to get you centered and to get you focused. Would you please give that gift to yourself and give that gift to your community, please, and get yourselves off the psychotic hamster wheel of craziness. If you study the economy and you study market cycles and you study the influences that affect the housing market, you are very centered and comfortable. When you are reading stupid headlines and getting triggered because you don't understand actually what they were saying, then you are in the psycho loop. Get yourselves off of it and then help your community, please. That's what I kept asking. Get good at it. I know, but the videos are really stupid. But why is it that every single one of your 100 millionaire clients are studying the economy every single day? And who are they going to learn about the $10 million property that they bought to understand what happened with the impact of the fires, what's the impact of the Trump administration, and what's going to be the direction of the asset of the $10 million asset? So David, who's supposed to be informing your clients of that? Who's responsible for that? You sold it to them. Okay. You guys follow me? No big deal. Let them read the headlines of LA Times. That's a great idea. Now, it has been actually pretty good, by the way. Just let's get off my soapbox for a second. It has been actually pretty good for a lot of us. Lisa Munoz, which was great. She said, Patrick, in Austin, I work with a lot of very progressive people. And I was like, yes, Lisa, I'm pretty clear on that. And a lot of them want to sell their house right now because they think the world's coming to an end. I'm like, great. You know what I mean? Yes, there are some mild benefits to us that people are freaked out. But again, I just don't think that's people using freakouts as a logical reason to sell their home. I just don't know that's in their best interest. I have seen a little bit of an uptick in sellers. Now, what should we all be paying attention to very closely right now? If you want to be a good resource to your community, there's really only one major thing that we have to be paying attention to, and that is the rate of the new listings and where inventory is at. Because if the only thing that will influence prices to go down is the excess inventory, you also have to follow the buyer demand, or i.e. absorption rate. And so we need to be following absorption rate so that we're following what's happening with inventory so that you can make a clear determination for your next listing appointment as well, so that you don't take overpriced listings or make wrong suggestions on pricing and get your butt kicked. So we got to be paying attention to the absorption rate, buyer demand, and the inventory. And that will then unlock this very clear what is happening with prices right now. And I'm not telling you about where tomorrow is going to be. I'm just telling you about where we are today. Should you at least be doing that as a basic standard to your community, your clients, and your listings? Hey everybody, the first appointment setting game event was a success. For those of you who've been following along the channel and learning about the tag event at the Tom Ferry headquarters in Orange County, beautiful building, his amazing facility. We hosted 40 real estate agents, 100% focused on booking appointments. And we ended up with roughly 3,600 dials out, 512 conversations recorded, 84 appointments booked, 92 new lead opportunities discovered. We had such a blast. I just want to make sure that everybody has a good time. If you're brand new to making cold calls, to make those first calls, generate those first leads, and get over the hump. I had Michelle, she says, hey, thank you so much for getting me back on the horse with my discipline of prospecting. And then she said, the listing appointment that I booked, they're going to go with us. I got a great text from Brandon, a picture of the listing contract signed from the appointment that he booked at the event. Here's the problem. We're just working on the logistics of the next session and the calendar. To learn more is to go down below and just get yourself signed up on the wait list. I can just give you the direct announcements of when the next event is so that you can make sure that you reserve your spot before anyone else. I'm assuming these events will sell out. There's not enough room to have a lot of people in there. If you sign up for the wait list, I will also add you into my sales conversion newsletter. This week, I'm going to be interviewing Avi Becker on his entire breakdown of the absentee owner, the scripting, the mindset, the tool, the resources, everything that he's doing. So just go down below, get signed up. I look forward to having you at that next event.